Mr. President, I think that we must take the bull by the horn on this issue of appropriation. And I think that unless we take it very seriously up with the Ministry of Finance, this Parliament will become an embarrassment into itself. Mr. President, I am reluctantly supporting the extension of the 2024 capital component of the budget. Because, Mr. President, as has been observed, many contractors who had money had committed their funds into executing projects. Many contractors who don't have money have stalled in the execution of the projects. And we have 2025 budget before us. Even those who have funds to commit to projects will be very, very unwilling to commit their money into these projects because of the fear that they will not be paid. And so I think, like some other persons have said here, we want to know. Because we are all here as parliamentarians from various constituencies to support government to succeed. Because if government succeeds, we succeed. But we must know the problem so that we can address the problem together. And so, Mr. President, I suggest that the payment practice must be unbundled and the release of funds must be accelerated. Otherwise, we will be deceiving ourselves because in October, November, budget 2026 is going to come.
Thank you, leader.
How do we now approve another budget when two budgets are yet unimplemented? Thank you, Mr. President, and I hope they will listen to us.
Senator Dixon, you have the floor. We'll put the vote after Senator Dixon.